Hi everyone, I'm Channel 3 meteorologist Greg D. A special weather-related geek fix for you today. This one about the winter forecast. NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, released their update on the status of La Nina in the Pacific and its effects for a winter season yesterday. So here's what they're seeing right now. This is a map of the Pacific Ocean. The United States, Mexico, Central America, and South America there. There's China, Japan, the Philippines down toward Australia on this side of the map. Let me get you a little closer so you can see. Lots of red and blue here. Red indicates areas of the Pacific Ocean where the water is warmer than average. Blue is where it's below average. And notice this boxed in area out here in the Central Pacific. A large area of below average temperatures. That indicates a La Nina, and that may have some effects on the weather patterns here around northeast Ohio. So the forecast official from the computer models looks like this. The line here that goes right across the graph is an average temperature of the Pacific. The black line is the actual reading, and notice it's dropped below average by about a half a degree. Not a strong La Nina, which kind of complicates things, but the computer models keep us below average through at least February, and then things start to return to more normal or maybe even above average temperatures as we head into the spring season. What does a La Nina bring for North America? Here's what it does. It takes the jet stream out in the Pacific and builds a huge area of high pressure that forces that jet stream toward Alaska and Canada. Then it dives down across the northern plains and down into the Great Lakes. Here's what that looks like for us. As that jet stream dives south, it could pull down colder air from Canada, and because this jet stream works sort of like a storm track, you could get areas of low pressure to track through it, and that could mean wetter than average conditions across Ohio, down toward Indiana, and the Ohio River Valley. Because this is a weak La Nina, very hard to tell how far south this jet stream is going to go. Is it going to go way to our south down towards Cincinnati, where we would get snow events here, system snow? Is it going to track right overhead where we'd get rain followed by snow as storm system move by? Or is it going to track over the Great Lakes and down towards maybe Michigan, not far enough down to the south to bring us all snow, and may actually increase the amount of rain that we see? A little too early to tell. Right now, the winter forecast continues to see us with a better chance for seeing above average actually rainfall or snowfall, precipitation. No word on whether it's rain or snow, but we do have a chance of that. The south will see very dry conditions. They can see drought conditions during a La Nina, and then the northern Rockies tend to get more snow. They really start to build a snowpack there. Now, what about temperatures? Because it is uncertain where this jet stream is going to stop across the Great Lakes, we don't have a higher chance of either below or above average temperatures. We're kind of equal chances, whereas the northern plains will likely stay cooler, the south will likely stay warmer this winter. A lot here to still iron out. They're going to update this winter forecast, the one you see behind me, coming up later on this month. So I'm going to have that here at WKYC.com. And then there'll be one final update to this La Nina forecast at the beginning of December. So we'll kind of track it along with you and see if things are changing and if they're progressing as this forecast seems to indicate they will. Of course, continued updates at WKYC.com, and you can always follow me on social media at Greg D. Weather on Twitter, Instagram, and over toward Facebook.